guys.
Barry, stop!
Reach him to the pipeline!
He's too fast! Barry, did you hear what I said? Iris is gonna die!
What's happening?
Flash is back!
What? Whoa. No. Huh?
Barry.
Hey.
Hi. You're up early?
Yeah.
Doing what exactly?
I'm just catching up on all the TV I missed while I was stuck in the Speed Force. When you've been gone 6 months, the world is a minefield of spoilers. But Cisco hooked me up with the 1,000 times sped up version of my favorite shows. Oh, Jon Snow died. Oh, he's alive.
There.
That's one car. I got it.
Yeah, but I can help you.
Barry, you can't go down that road.
What? Why? Get down!
Targeting.
Nope, I can't get it off.
Flotation mode activated.
How is this thing still intact? Cisco!
She's here. Last time I checked, the Flash is faster than a Prius. What the hell?
Barry, oh my God, turn around!
I did. Heart, why do you have one?
Sorry I'm late. Iris and I just lost 2 wedding venues in less than 24 hours. Yes, sir. I'm going there now.
Hazard.
I'm almost at the casino.
Give me two. Hi.
Hi. Sorry, Mr. Mayor. It's over. The mayor took Joe. I can't run fast enough right now. I'll never have enough speed to jump off the building. Can you reach me up there? You gotta save Joe. You can get me up there. You can stretch, grab it. Yes, you can. All right? I know that you have it inside you to help someone other than yourself. I know you, Ralph. Help! Hold on, Ralph.
Barry, what did you just do?
Ice Wing got peanuts from a bar.
You didn't even move.
Or did I? This way, come on. Enough! Help! Don't leave me! Hello? Are you ready to go to jail? I got it. EMTs are almost here.
The movie is filled with lies!
Kinda can't believe you fell for that. Come on. Just email me.
Barry, we have a major problem.
Where are the
Gonna fall. All right, get me over there. We need to stabilize the building. Sweeping the perimeter.
It's done. It's wall-to-wall Nazis in there.
And the left one for me?
I'm saving Nazi you for you.
Yeah, I see them!
Thanks.
How did it... Oh. Let's do it.
Here we go!
Just tying up some loose ends. If we don't stop him, he's gonna blow up our only ticket home.
We gotta take him out now.
I have an idea. Throw another lightning bolt.
We already tried that.
Just do it.
Barry, we need you to hurry up, signs heard.
All right, we're on the move.
Go on, end it. End it!
Umbrella steel.
It's a good thing I didn't vomit, right?
Yeah.
Are you okay?
A little warning next time.
Sorry. You okay? Be right back.
You're only hurting yourself.
Impossible.
Well, that's the thing. I am the impossible.
We built that cell so you couldn't run your way out.
I didn't run. Just stood still. Really fast.
You vibrated faster than the eye can process.
Like your wife said, your brain may be smarter than mine, but your body is still human.
Flotation mode activated.
Barry.
Don't run.
Barry Allen is What's happening?
We're moving so quickly that everyone else is still.
How are you able to do this with me?
I actually don't know. Iris, hey. I already decided not to tell anyone else who I am.
Barry, if the jury knew that you were the Flash, there's no way that they would convict you.
I'm trying to protect you. Okay, if everyone knew my secret, we would never stop running.
I would rather run forever with you than stand alone without you.
It wouldn't just be us running. Everyone that has stood by us the last 4 years would have a target on their back. If criminals knew my name, they'd know my weakness.
I'm trying to be strong.
I know.
I can't anymore. How can you?
My dad. He went through this too.
The trial is not over, Barry.
Yeah, it is. All the evidence points towards me. Can't tell them, okay?
You need to stop. I don't want to hurt anybody.
I understand, but your radioactivity is dangerous.
She okay?
She's gonna be okay, yeah.
The vacuum's containing his energy. Good. But he's still getting stronger. Alan, I don't know how long you can take this much radiation. I don't have a choice. We have to contain his energy.
You did it. Oh, man, you did it. You saved the day.
They're back in.
more than hurt him. We don't have a choice.
No, hey, we do not have to kill him.
Yes, we do.
No, we don't. All right, just duct tape him. Come on, let's move.
Engage lockdown. Codex prison breach. Repeat.
We'll never catch him.
I have an idea.
I checked the city. I can't find her. Nice. Take it up a few notches.
Ralph. You came after me.
We all did.
Get her out of there!
Ready when you are, Barry.
I'm ready.
Are you serious?
Come on, Cisco, just one more.
She said 2 hours ago.
Down.
One more. Iris?
Barry, look, why don't we take 5?
No, not until I get this, all right? Come on.
Listen, Miyagi.
What?
I've been here all day opening breaches, all right? So unless you want to rub your hands together and do some magic shoulder pop.
Why am I rubbing your shoulder?
That's what I thought. I'm taking 5.
Come on, take it. We gotta go.
We'll meet you there.
Just you and us now.
We're too late.
Oh, what is going on?
You're moving with me at super speed.
What? Is this what it looks like when you run?
Well, more or less.
I have to say it's a little uneventful.
Hey, come with me.
I'm guessing this is our Ark of the Covenant.
Something like that, yeah. Come here. All right.
Wait. Ask Harry. He'll know.
All right. I hope so.
Alan,
Hey.
Why are you touching me?
Listen.
Am I in?
Yes, you're in flash time. Yes.
Flash time. What is flash time?
Cisco just came up with it. Okay,
Wait, you
look,
did this
hey,
with
we don't have
Ramon
much
before you
time.
did this?
Okay,
The heck? Get her out of here. Alan.
How'd you do that?
I'm not sure. I've been able to do it ever since I came out of the Speed Force.
A hell of a new trick.
We need to hurry.
Flash, you're not the only one that's been blessed with powers. I'm helping people too.
Not like this.
You did this, not me.
That's it. You okay, baby girl?
I think so.
How about you, Flash?
I feel great. Ralph, ready. Enact double Scarlet Speedster in 3, 2, 1.
Wait! I got a better idea.
Didn't see that coming.
It's kind of the point. You Okay? It's okay. Just stay here. Just hold on, all right? Just hold on. It's over, Null. All right, that's everyone.
Easy, Narcs. Hey. I give up.
We're not cops.
Caleb! Meet us at Star Labs.
This?
Why would it? Sound has no effect on a hologram.
Your timing is impeccable.
Roads are looking good, too.
How's he doing?
Good. His rads are low.
I won't have to feel guilty about doing this.
It wasn't your fault! Ralph! I'll save you!
You already did, Barry.
If we can gain access to their files.
Alloy 1771?
I'm gonna put my fists in your face is what I'm gonna do.
Is that how we'd work together if I took the job?
Guys, help you.
Barry.
No, hold on. It is.
What are you doing?
What?
Don't even think about
No.
it. Don't even think about it. No. Don't ever wish me again, all right?
No, totally. I'm sorry. Really, boys? I'm not here to fight.
Hey, did you find anything?
Nope. We agreed, no killing.
Eyes on Cape Canaveral, SpaceX, and the Z Chang Space Center.
And Black Hawk Island. Let's just go get them. Trash can.
Oh, how about the recycling? Nope.
No, I got it.
Really?
It seemed like a good idea at the time.
Sorry, man. sorry. Can we just... I'm sorry.
I hate you.
I know.
What is this about?
Oh, Flash time, how I've missed thee.
Here we go.
Is that lightning about to hit me?
You wanted to do this.
It's working.
You're burning up already. Are you okay?
I can't move my leg. Not working.
All right, stay calm. Going down.
I gotta get the leg to move. I'm working with 2 frozen drumsticks here.
Okay, just relax.
No, I'm falling.
All right, just remember to stay calm this time.
Damn it.
Oh.
My leg's stuck.
All right, just stay calm.
Hey, watch out!
Perimeter secure. I've got the charge.
He did.
DeVoe didn't seem to care.
Come on. DeVoe!
Why the brakes? Are we there?